Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. In this video, I'm going to show you how to check the Serpentine belt in your Ford Expedition with the 5.4 motor in it. This one happens to be a 2012. And they made this body style for a number of years with the 5.4 motor in it, so you can probably apply it to your truck if it has the same engine in it. And typically you want to check your belt every around 30,000 miles. I like to do it every time I change the oil because you're right there in front of the thing. And we're going to climb under. I'll show you what to look for and tell you when you may need to replace it and things like that. But before I get started, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a comment if you have a comment or a question. Let's get rolling on this. So on your Expedition, it's easier with the 5.4 to check the belt out when you're changing the oil filter. It's right there. You can see it really easy. And just check it for wear. Make sure that there's no cracks in the middle of the belt and there's no wear along the edges of the belt. You want to make sure the Serpentine belt isn't frayed all around the edges. If it is frayed along the edges, check the pulleys. Look at them closely. Make sure there's no burrs on the pulleys or that the pulleys aren't out of alignment, and you may need a pulley that's causing that to happen. That needs to be changed. There's cracks all in the middle, but the edges of the belt aren't worn, then it's just the belt is getting old and it's time to replace it. So I hope this video has helped you out, and remember, if you have any comments or questions, leave a question and either I'll reply back to you or one of the subs on the channel will reply back to you. We have a ton of guys that hang out on the channel and help answer questions and comments and stuff like that. So stay tuned for next time, and we'll see you then. Thanks.